that just arrived. Oh wow, we picked the premium color? I totally forgot. Well, let's go around to the other side. This house is going over there. It's a 16 wide. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath at lot B-1. Oh my gosh, that's really pretty. Wow, we did a great job. Can't wait to show you the inside. This was fun to design this house. Let's take a look from the front. Really very nice. Premium colors really stand out. That's really, really pretty. Alright, and there's the crew. There's Pat, and it's going down there. Keep you posted. Alright, we're going to do another super sneak peek here. The house arrived. It is not going to be located here. I'm going up the steps. This is a 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Whoa, look how wide that is. We're on an incline here because the house just arrived. We're temporarily housing it on the parking lot, and it will be located right behind us. So we'll take a look out through the kitchen window. So I'm closing the doors and you're gonna see how quiet it is. You hear that? You hear nothing. Look at that kitchen. That's so pretty. And the floor is beautiful. So we've got the Tuscany maple cabinets and the black appliances and that really spectacular black backsplash or countertop. And that's actually where the house is going. See that? So we have someone who's really interested in this house, and they've already been approved for financing. So if he comes in and he ends up liking it, it's a done deal. Wow, this is a 16 wide home, and it is really, really wide. So I've shared with you before in the past, the houses come set to drive on the highway. So here you have a little cabinet space, and you've got your shower stall with 2 seats. It's an all one-piece fiberglass unit. Very nice. And then here's your counter. Wow, that's really high, and it's also wide. Look at the little drawers on the side, and you've got your cosmetic box there. So this is amazing. And you've got linen space there to put your towels or whatever else you'd like to put in there. So again, out the window you can see where this is actually going to be placed, right there on that lot. All right, let's take a look at the bedroom. And again, if I close the door all the way, you don't hear any sound, or a very muffled sound. So here's the bedroom, and you've got your walk-in, I mean not your walk-in, your closet. Really long from one side all the way to the other side. Whoa, that's pretty deep. Very nice. So here's the bedroom from this angle. And these are all the goodies that we have to put up yet. And everything comes in a way that's safe for driving. And this is your hot water heater. See all these little rubber bands? It keeps everything safe. Very nice. So let's go back into the living room area and take a look from there. And I will be having another house similar to this available, and that is why I'm telling you. Email me at info@dolanhomes.com. That's our intake process, is to email and read our very extensive informational email that explains who we are and what we're doing and what we're building. And then the next step would be to answer the 15 pre-qualifying questions, and then the next step would be to get a tour if we have any houses available. Honestly, YouTube's making it very fast. People are seeing what we're building and dispelling the trailer trash stigma, and they want a home. So we're thrilled to be able to provide that. We're a small family business, and we've been in business since 1954, and we're honored and privileged to give people the dream of American home ownership in one of the most expensive housing corridors in the nation. We're really, literally in the shadow of New York City. So, wow, this is just really pretty. I'm so thrilled how this turned out. Thanks for joining us, and like I said, email me, info@dolanhomes.com. Have a great day.